Let's check out what's inside. Got that new front lip. So I went with the GReddy carbon fiber front lip. I've always wanted this lip since I got the car, but it's expensive as fuck. And I was static, so I didn't want to mess anything up. But now that I'm bagged, I'll be able to take care of it and not scrape it as much. And this is all the hardware they sent with it. So it comes with all the bolts, the plate right here for the front. And they also send an instruction manual, which is pretty cool. Shows you how to put it on and everything. See how it looks. God damn. Look at that shit. I've never seen this thing in person. I would only see it in videos, but shit looks good. I don't want to get rock chips or anything on it, so I do want to get a clear bra. Look at this ugly ass dog right here. About to go get this thing clear broad. It barely fits in the car. God damn. Just got my GReddy lip back from the shop. Shout out to them. You could barely even tell it's there. Clear bra looks really good. It's gonna protect it from rock chips and all that shit. You already know. Finishing touch. Here's how it looks right now with the Type R front lip. All I need to do is take off the front bumper. Bumper's all off. This is how I'm trying to have it once I air out. All I need to do is get smaller tires, fix the front so I can go lower. Here's a comparison between the two lips. The GReddy one looks way better. I mean, the Type R one wasn't bad. I just thought it was time to upgrade. Carbon fiber. This is a new lip. It's finally on. It looks clean as fuck.